Hello, this is Ahmad Awad. In this video, we are gonna learn how to find the volume of rectangular prism. As you know, the rectangular prism is three-dimensional figure with three sides, length, width, and height. To find the volume of rectangular prism, we use the rule V equal length multiply width multiply height, which means the volume is the product of the three dimension of this solid. And as you know, its name is rectangular prism. Rectangular prism, so it means it have a rectangular base in shape of rectangle. And the length multiply width, or the product of the length and width of the base, we can write it as the area of the base, or B, so the volume can be written as B multiply H, where B is the area of base. Okay? This is the rule which we use it to calculate the volume of rectangular prism. Now, what about the unit? As you know, to calculate perimeter, area, length, all these dimensions are given in unit: centimeter, meter, inch, feet. Okay. If we get length, so it's given in normal unit, like inch, centimeter, meter, and so on. When we talk about area, so the unit of the area is square unit, because we get the area by the product of two dimensions. What about volume? Volume, as shown here, is the product of three dimensions. So we multiply the unit by itself 3 times. That means we have here unit raised to the power of 3, or we called it cubic unit. Okay. Now, let's see how to solve an example, how to get the volume of a rectangular prism. Okay. Let's start. In this example, he asks you to find the volume of this prism. This prism has a dimension of 5 inch length, 5 inch width, and 5 inch as height. Okay. First step to find the volume is to write the rule V equal L multiply W multiply H, length multiply width multiply height. Second step is to substitute, replace each letter by its value. So as given here, the length equal 5 inch, the width is 5 inch, and the height also is 5 inch. Let's calculate 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. Good, it's 125. And don't forget the unit. The unit here is inch, and as I said, the volume has a cubic unit, so it will be 125 cubic inch. Let's move to another example. The same here, the question is find the volume of this rectangular prism with dimension length 4, width 10, and height 6 feet. Okay. First, as we did, write the rule volume equal length multiply width multiply height. Substitute by the given values: 4 feet multiply 10 feet multiply 6 feet. Okay guys, let's do it. 4 multiply 6 is 24, multiplied by 10, so we get the product of 240. And what about the unit? Okay, it will be cubic feet, or feet to the power of 3. Is clear? Okay, let's move to another example. Okay, guys. In this example, we will get or find the missing dimension of this prism. Here I give you a rectangular prism with dimension 2.5 inch as width, 4 inch as height, and the length is missing. Okay. How can we get it? Okay, guys, by the same way we learned how to solve equation, right? So write the rule V equal length multiply width multiply height. And second step, good, is to replace each letter by its given value. V is given, the volume is given, it's 60 cubic meter. Length is unknown, so we replace L. Width is given as 2.5, and the height is given as 4. Okay, so 60 equal L multiply 2.5 multiply 4. Okay. How can we solve this equation? Yes, good. Get the product of 4 and 2.5, which equals 10. Good. So now in the right side we have 10L, and in the left side we have 60. Who can tell me how can we solve this equation? Yes, that's good. By dividing both sides by 10, so we get L equal 6. So the length is equal 6, and the same as we did for the volume. Don't forget the unit. Here the length unit is what is normal unit. What is the given here? It's height 4 inch, width 4 inch, so the length also it will be 6 inches. Okay, it's clear? Okay, guys, you can use your book to solve extra facts and check your understanding, and thank you for watching this video.